639-1111 for Colorado road information.
This travel advisory on WTJR 991 Dale Pass is a service of the Colorado Department of Transportation.
For road and weather information anywhere in Colorado, you can now call simply 511. You can also go to the World Wide Web, a wide variety of information at cotem.org, keyword COTRIP.org, O-R-G. There you can access a wide variety of information, including road and weather conditions, as well as closed circuit conditions across the state. Once again, the three-digit number for road and weather information recordings in Colorado is 511. For future reference, outside the state of Colorado, you can call 303-639-1111 for Colorado road information. Go to the World Wide Web, a wide variety of information at cotem.org, keyword COTRIP.org, O-R-G. There you can access a wide variety of information, including road and weather conditions, as well as closed circuit conditions across the state. Once again, the three-digit number for road and weather information
Nossa,
recordings
deu
in Colorado
caminhão,
is
pisca-alerta.
511. For future reference, outside the state of Colorado, you can call 303-639-1111 for Colorado road information.
Tirei o pé. Não tô
This
pressionando
travel
nada,
advisory
mas...
on